your child safe in the hands of coaching institute. Now, next after NEET, there is another exam, IOQM. On 16th, the result was declared. However, on 17th, on the official website itself, it declared that there have been citations of malpractices because of the unlikely patterns of roll number, the similar issue that was detected with NEET. Now, the important thing to note here is, despite the official website of Mathematics Teachers Association of India saying that there have been malpractices in the examination, there are institutes promoting the results of the students who have qualified this incorrect result or the incorrect result which was received officially. Now, what does it show about the ethics and the morality of these institutions? Rather than protesting against the fact that there has to be transparencies in the examination, the institutes are gaining momentum just to declare that we have so many selections, this is our result, and gaining admissions based on that. Now, if that is the truth, and this is the moral and the ethical standards, are you sure you are comfortable leaving your child in the hands of these institutions? It's a very high time that you remember the fact that as video games, social media have been destroying and playing with the children's future. In the same way, nowadays in terms of education, we can say if the institutions are unethical and not moral, they are actually manipulating parents, manipulating students. You're not sure what they are taught when the facts that are produced are so fake, because the official website has released that there have been malpractices and we need to do something about it. But still, on the other hand, there are institutions promoting the results and the success of their candidates in this examination. So it's a very important point for parents to understand whether you are taking a right decision for your child to enroll in any of the programs. Check twice, check thrice, go for the authenticity, genuineness, and understand whether your child is being imparted right education. It's not just the education, it's also the morals and the ethics that the child would imbibe along with getting educated. So this was just a brief alert that we have brought in here for parents, for students, for faculties, for near and dear ones who really want to understand what's going ahead. But the main thing that still remains is there has to be transparency in the system. And if there is no transparency in the system, the real talent would get lost. And this is something that our country cannot actually look forward for. The real talent has to get its place and has to work hard. But with all these malpractices, the real talented students are at no stake. So it's a high time that authorities must take this into concern and look forward towards a methodology where transparencies can be maintained and the genuineness, reliability, validity of the exam must not be compromised in any form. So let's join us for more discussions in future. And definitely, if you are one of the parents who feel that your child is talented and can perform really good even based on self-study, then don't forget to subscribe and look forward for our next class that we would be bringing specifically dedicated to students who can work well with self-preparation and the avenues for them. Also, you might wonder that there may be series of calls that you might receive from different institutions, and you might wonder, we never went to those institutions, we never contacted those institutions. How come they know our children's name? How come they know our details? And they are asking for enrollment. They are lurking you for few facts and promoting their own businesses. So be very, very careful before you fall prey to any of these unethical practices.